Alright guys, so we got the engine test fit in the engine bay, and that was super exciting. We had to tack in our engine mounts where they're going to be welded to the frame, as well as see how our steering is going to hit, and fit up for brakes and 5-lug conversion. So now I need to drag out that crossmember again and get it prepped for paint. Okay, so if you guys don't remember when we pulled this the first time, it's pretty nasty. All of the rubber is tired. So I went shopping on Rock Auto and got all of the goodies. We've got new brake lines to put on, control arm bushings, the steering, let's see, what was this one? The rack and pinion rubber there, that's High Energy. This is all ACDELCO. The tension rod bushings. So lots of work to be done and lots of cleanup. Huh. You ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, I stopped recording because I thought I needed a pickle fork to pull these ball joints apart, which technically I think you do. But Nick showed me this trick where if you take a BFH, big freaking hammer, or just hit it with your purse, it should come right out. So I hit right here, and it kind of shocked it on the inside and let it drop out. It took a long time, so I hit it here a bunch, hit it here a bunch, and it just went boop. So just hit it with your purse, and you won't need a pickle fork. And I can say that because I'm a girl. So let's get this cleaned up. Okay, we're back. And now we're in my living room. I skipped a few parts. The crossmember parts are all here in my living room, along with the tires. Got that cool fancy carpet going. So I went through and cleaned all of these up. They were super nasty, super rusty, and put some fancy spray paint on them. And Nick's gonna haul his truck up, and we're gonna load up all these parts and haul them back down to the garage to get them installed. Here comes Nick with the parts. What's he doing? Ta-da! Okay. So we got all of the parts in last night after hauling them down in the truck, and we got our coveralls back on because it's really cold still and it's during the day. So all of these parts put on, have the car a little bit more together. Ready?
Yep.
Nice coverall.
Thanks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa pose.
Nope. Nope.
Left. Don't swallow it. Dale's done that. Hey, you want me to move it? Thanks, babe. That's beautiful. All right, we got her all back in. The shop's finally warm, right in time for us to shut off the heater and leave. And we finally got the 5-lug tires on. Just look at them. They're on for reals. We still have to add the brake calipers and put the seals on. We just want to do a test fit to make sure they fit. On the front Crossmember, replaced everything. Ball joints, lower ball joints are replaced. Fresh paint on everything. New tie rods while we were there. Steering rack bushings. And we have sway bar bushings when the sway bar goes in. And the tension rod bushings back there. Should be good to go. Ready? Ready?
What?
High five. Wha-bam! Crossmember's done. Wait, peep the new sign. Nick made that on the plasma and surprised me as a Valentine's Day present to the both of us. And it's pretty awesome.